guys, Safe and Cultural Laptop Magazine, and we are here today looking at the very first Haswell Ultrabook. This is a reference design called North Cape from Intel, and it's a very interesting design with lots of neat features, and we want to show it to you. So first of all, what you have here is a really thin and light system. The keyboard base here is just 7mm Z height, and even though it's that thin, you get really good key travel here. It's not mushy at all in our testing here. The deck here is kind of a nice soft touch material, and of course you have your click pad. Now up here, the real star of the show, of course, is the detachable screen. And what you have here is a 1920 by 1080 Full HD 13.3-inch screen. Looks really good, very responsive. 10-point touch, as you might expect. So if we go here and we launch Windows Paint, for example, we will be able to go here and launch Windows Paint. We'll see that we're able to. This is 5 fingers, and we could easily do 10-finger touch with it. So that looks really good. Obviously, when you close it, you've got this all-white kind of soft touch material here. We've got on the back, we've got 2 USB 3 ports. We've got mini HDMI out. We've got a power port, and we've got audio on the side. We have a rear camera that, do we know how many megapixels? 5 megapixels. And we also have a front webcam that is 2 megapixels. So what's really neat about this, Intel spent a lot of time working on how you easily detach the tablet from the base. So this feels really solid. The weight is pretty evenly distributed. And if I hit this button here, you'll see a light lit up over here. And then the screen got a little bit smaller with a frame around it. And I think I waited too long. So you got to do it sooner than later. Do it again. So hold it down. Okay, so popped right out because there's a magnetic wire underneath that is holding it. Now you notice when it popped out that the screen got a frame around it. It is still 1920 by 1080, but the edges here are deliberately dead, and this is what Intel calls smart frame. Why would you have that? So that you can easily hold it without your fingers mucking with the screen and registering unwanted touches. However, should you not like this mode and want to go back to full mode, there's a button at the top here you can see that allows you to switch back and forth. Of course, here in the tablet itself, we've got something that is 10 millimeters, 1.8 pounds, but feels a lot lighter than 1.8 pounds because of how the weight is distributed. You've got volume rocker here, power here. You don't, on the bottom, you just have your the docking connector. So what you have here is something that is really compelling in terms of how it plugs in, the ergonomic qualities of the keyboard, the great color and responsiveness of the screen. And this is a reference design, but we hope to see it inspire more and better devices and designs using the Haswell chipset that allows this kind of thin and light system because it has such a low TDP. This is Abram with Laptop Magazine, and we are here looking at the Intel North Cape reference design.